Hey everyone, welcome to Wella's channel. Today I'll show how to install an APK app on an Android emulator. Let's open a browser. First we need a Spotify APK, for example. Here it is. Let's download it. Alright, I have BlueStacks, but we'll use a different Android emulator for this demo. There are several methods. I'll show the easiest one. Let's open the file location, okay? Here, now, simply drag it into the emulator. Drag it like this, and it starts installing. After installation, we have Spotify. Or Spotic as an example. That's all, folks. This has been Wella. See you later.